Hello everyone. Today's explanation is about procedures. The procedure always precedes the program. We're going to take an example for a procedure that prints a greeting. First, we put procedure, and we put beside it the variable that is going to be used in the program to call the procedure. Suppose we put greeting and put beside it brackets. When we enter the procedure, we put print and between brackets and quotations, hello. So hello will be shown to the user. And then we put another print and put you're looking well between brackets and quotations. This sentence will also be shown to the user on a next line. To end the procedure, we just put end procedure. So when we call this procedure, we just put the name of the procedure, whatever you want to call it. In our example, we call it greeting. So we put greeting beside the brackets in the program. To make the procedure more useful, you can pass it one or more parameters. The parameter is a variable named in the procedure heading that will receive and use whatever value you pass it. So now we're going to write a procedure that also prints a greeting, but in this case, we're going to pass it a parameter. We call our parameter name. You can call your parameter whatever you want. This procedure, it prints hello. We put it between brackets and quotations. The word hello will be shown to the user. And then we put comma and put name. We mean by it, we're going to put the parameter that is called name, which the user give it. Then we're going to print on the next line, you're looking well. This also will be shown to the user. Then we put end procedure, so the procedure will stop working.